किस किस को यहाँ पर आरटीआई की फॉर्म पता है? राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन। और ये किसने, अन्ना हजारे ने नहीं निकाला था? सबसे बड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन
अरविंद केजरीवाल।
ये इसके लिए वर्क किया था अरविंद केजरीवाल ने। और कौन कौन अरविंद केजरीवाल को जानता है?
I want to clarify you. Started in 1997.
अच्छा, it was started in
1997.
Okay, so it was started in 1997.
By
Okay.
my organization in Rajasthan.
Okay.
They were
After that,
people.
okay.
And after that, it didn't work on. And in 2005, the parliament passed it.
Okay.
After that, it came into force.
It came into force, but
And Anna Hazare actually utilized it.
okay, so Anna Hazare. Okay, fine. But I read it somewhere that Arvind Kejriwal had a prominent role in bringing it into act. Okay, so I'll very briefly brief you out about RTI. Okay, so I'll read some stuff and I'll request you to kindly listen to it. Don't hear to it, please listen to it. Okay, so what is Right to Information Act? That is RTI Act. Okay, so RTI is an act of Parliament of India to provide for setting out the practical regime of right to information for citizens. Fine. So you would have understood this particular sentence. So I'll move further. So what this act does? This act applies to all states and union territories of India, only to India, okay?
Except Jammu and Kashmir.
Except Jammu and Kashmir, right? He is from Jammu and Kashmir, and so he specified.
Because the state assembly has to pass it first.
Yes. Okay, so under the provisions of the Act, any citizen may request any information from any organization, okay, but not from political parties. Yes, she is right. Okay. So
And defense also.
yes. Okay. Now, how many of you know how to file an RTI? How to actually file an RTI? Anyone? Anyone from there? Anyone from there? Here? यहाँ पे नहीं पता होगा. हाँ, ठीक है. So I'll tell you about an incident. When I prepared for entrance examination here for AMU, and I gave the examination, but I didn't get selected. My marks were around 84 and the cutoff was around 63. So what I did, I filed an RTI that was addressed to the VC, okay, and also to the admissions office. Okay. So first of all, I was very sad that I was not able to get through this examination, even though I scored well. But when I filed that RTI, what happened after 2 days, an application was actually filed to my home, and when I read it, it was written that why did you file the RTI? You could have directly have a talk with us. So, and after a week or so, my name was there in the list. So what I am saying is, it is a very powerful act. It is a very powerful act, and you must use it. How can you use it? You just need to file an RTI. It is of about 15 to 20 rupees you need to pay for it. 10 rupees. 10 rupees. Okay. You need to pay around 10 rupees for this, for any information that you require. And you can question any particular government document except from political parties and of the defense. What is the process of this particular act? Okay. The RTI process involves reactive disclosure of information by the authorities. What the authorities do, you file an RTI, an application is sent to that particular authority, and they just give the information to the particular individual who has filed that RTI. Okay.
Shekhar, I'd like to add on one thing.
Yes.
Like, when you
Salman
file
is
an
coming.
RTI,
Yes.
when you file an RTI, he would be giving information. But if that information involves a certain number of papers
Okay.
beyond that, then the person who has filed an RTI, he has to pay for it. Okay, I don't exactly know the number,
Okay.
but there's up to a certain amount of papers that are involved, they'll give you information straight away. Otherwise, you'll have to pay for the remaining ones.
Okay, that was a very good point. Yeah, it's a very good point. And I think that now you can go.